at the MFF because our primary goal is to showcase Philippine cinema and Filipino talent. So let me just say that this film is based on two events and two characters. Wow. The Lobok Children's Choir performed as themselves. Written and co-produced by Sergeant Cuesta and co-produced by the great Philippine singer and icon, Celeste Legazpi. And that's, so this is I'm quite familiar with the project because it's quite a passion project from the team, including Celeste, who brought us Ang Larawan, the acclaimed musical film adaptation of National Artist for Literature, Nick Joaquin, a portrait of the artist Filipino, and the story or idea to make a film about the Lubok Children's Choir as led by the public school teacher, Alma Taldo. So it's an inspiring story because it's a real story and it's all because of the spirit and the guidance of a public school teacher, Alma Taldo. So let me start with the director, King. Tell us how you open up the film, instead of just a musical, but including showcasing the beauty of Bohol too as well.
So we when we were planning for the film, the producers and I were sort of discussing how do we approach this film, no? Kasi with sila Girlie and Rachel coming from a musical, Ang Larawan, we wanted to sort of find the right balance between storytelling, the narrative, the straightforward storytelling, and infusing it with music. No? So early on, we were already aligned that we wanted this film not to be a musical, but a film about music. No? So, and at the same time, we wanted also to make the town of Lobok and Bohol not just a location, but also a character in the film. So, it was important for us to showcase two things: the music, and of course, the town that makes this music.
Thank you. And for Eric